Hey everyone, ever had your speaker die right when you needed it most? This video will help you understanding the science that your JBL Xtreme 3 needs charging, how to charge it and how long it takes to get fully charged. How to know your JBL Xtreme 3 needs charging. First of all, turn the speaker on and check the LED indicator to control the battery level. If only one LED blinking, it's time to charge your speaker. Secondly, the speaker emits warning beep or tone when the battery is low. Thirdly, press the power button. If the LED is red or blinking, the battery is low. How to charge your JBL Xtreme 3? Get the speaker and the included power adapter. Connect the charger. Open the waterproof flap on the side and find the charging port. Plug the smaller end of the adapter into the port. Start charging. Plug the other end of the adapter into a power outlet. The LED indicators will light up, showing that charging has begun. Monitor charging. The LEDs will fill up as the battery charges. When all LEDs are solid, the speaker is fully charged. Charging time. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge. Once fully charged, the LEDs will turn off. You can use the speaker while it charges or wait until it's fully charged for up to 50 hours of playback. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for the solution.